Hello and welcome to the Nexus. Today we're going to be doing stage 53 of issue 14 of our Enterprise build. And we do indeed start work on the last upper panel of our Enterprise build. Oh, it's going to look so good. Let's crack this open and let's get started. Okay, so here's all the parts that we get, and this part here is lovely, absolutely lovely. We've got the Enterprise name there as well, which is really good. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, as you've seen, we've got some parts here for our warp nacelle. So we're going to grab the one that was fully built. We've got the lowercase section, which will go in there eventually. But we're going to be putting on the Bussard collector, which is this thing here. So we're going to grab, firstly, this section here. Now I'm going to put the light already in here. Then we're going to slot it into this one. Then that one's going to slot into there. And then our big one is going to slot like that. And then we're going to just move all this away. Now it says just to place it on. Just like that. So that'll be worth keeping somewhere safe now. I'm going to stick mine just here for the time being at the back here. So we've done the Bussard collector for our warp nacelle. So I'm just going to turn a page here to find out what we've got to do. Okay. Here we go. So we're going to attach this. Now this bit on the show was blue. It was sometimes lit, it sometimes wasn't. It's the Arboretum, if you wanted to know what that was. So that's going to fit on just like that. We're then going to start, we're going to turn this round so we can sort of see what we're doing. And we're going to start on this side here. So there's a lot of escape pods on this side. So, and we've got a panel that's going to go there, and then a light one next to it. I've noticed that everyone has their own sort of unique way of putting in the windows. The great thing is, we don't have to do these sort of windows anymore, because the ones on the bottom are slightly different. So they are similar but slightly different. So we've done that first panel. We're going to grab what we've got here. We've got two here. We've got A2 and A1. So we're going to grab A1, I believe, and that's going to sit like that. We're going to grab our wire, which is going to sit just under here, like so. I'm going to grab our DM screws. And we're going to secure this in. One there first. And one in the middle. Just to secure that down. And another one on this side. And there we go. So that's that first one. The top of this has come off. That's where we store stuff. What I store stuff in this sometimes comes off. Okay, so we're just literally going to copy what we've done on that side on this side. all these windows are black. So why we haven't got a light source for this side. Just like that. Then this is going to go over the top, and we're going to secure this up. I'm going to actually do the middle one first. I can't believe we're so close now to finishing off the top. And there we have it. The first part, or that section, is done. That is it for this stage, I do believe. Yep. So, okay, so that's it for this stage. So that sits in just like that. It looks, I mean, it looks really good. We're coming up for the last bit now, which is, yeah, I can't wait. As you always do, make sure you click like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. And as always, we'll catch you at the next video, guys. So take it easy. See you later.